That was Sandu by Clifford Brown. Next up, we'll have another playthrough, but with some new visuals. We'll have the guitar neck diagram from Guitar Pro. We'll have standard notation and tablature notation as well. After that, if you need additional help, I'll take you step by step through it. If you do get value out of this lesson, please help out the channel by clicking the like button, subscribing, and leaving a comment. All of this engagement is a tremendous help for the channel's growth. Okay, well, let's get started. You'll have a count of 4 and then 2, and then we're in on the and of 2. Okay, now that we've gone through the play along section, we'll work on the step-by-step, and what you may want to do is, after working on it and practicing it, go back to the count and see if you've improved. Okay, so we start with pickup notes beginning on the and of 2. So we play like this, position 5. Okay, and after the double bar line, we play like this. Next measure, I'm using finger 3 and kind of scooping into it or sliding into it. And then I'm sweeping down on these 3 notes and then going to string 5 fret 6 and then landing on string 3 fret 8. Okay, then I'm back to position 5 here, measure 3. Okay, and then measure 4. Measure 5. Returning to that fret 9 on string 5. Then I'm picking up here on string 3 fret 8, is measure 6. Moving into fret 7 there, and we're landing back on the G natural, string 4 fret 5. And then the end of measure 7, play that string 5 fret 6. Okay, now we have fret 8 string 3, measure 8. Okay, measure 9. I'm going to go down to fret 4 here. Now this string 6, fret 6, can be played very lightly or ghosted. Okay, and then we're going to do a little 16th note triplet on fret 4, 5, 4 on string 5. Okay, and then we're going to play 5, 6. Measure 11, play position 3. Go to position 5, and then we start kind of all over again with a different ending. Okay, so measure 13, measure 14, sweeping down, and then getting string 3, fret 8. Measure 15 continued. Okay, and then we have measure 16, position 6. Fret 9, string 5. Very similar line here. Going to that G natural and then playing string 5, fret 6. You can play that short or staccato. And then here we go with measure 20. Measure 21. Okay, moving on. Continuing on with measure 22, second half of it. And what I'm doing is playing this chord up here, E flat 9, sharp 11, and position 5. Okay, well that's the lesson. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. You may need extra help with this tune, whether it be with the melody, chords, or improvising. So sign up for a coaching session or a lesson by clicking the link down in the description. Also check out the member area here on YouTube and my instructional website, fretprints.com. Enjoy your practice session, and I'll see you in the next one.